Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because today I'm unboxing a Jackie's chocolate box. So this is a company that sells bulk candy, all sorts of candy, chocolates, like fruity candy, but then they also have a monthly chocolate subscription, which is what this is. And there should be at least 15 different chocolates in here, and they're just all assorted. And I love this kind of subscription. They put some goodies at the bottom too. So that is nicely wrapped. Take a look at this. This is cute. Little Jackie's chocolate. Put a little thing through it. Some stickers. A magnet, it looks like. Yep. Thank you for your order. A visit from Grandma Jackie always meant 3 things: a warm hug, stories about Lake, something I can't pronounce, and a box of her old-fashioned handmade chocolates. Yum. So you can save $10 off your next order with the code thank you. They also included a letter that says that they have a special YouTube promo code. So if you type in YouTube, that also saves you $10 off your first order. And let's open this. So it says it's $29.95 per month, which includes free shipping. There's also different levels of subscriptions, as most companies have. So there's a 3, 6, and 12-month subscriptions. And it says it makes a great gift, which this is something my mother would love. Well, I mean, I would love it too, but my mom loves her chocolate. And this is a really nice box. So let's take a look. It says that they do like exclusive seasonal chocolates as well. So I wonder if there's like some fall flavored ones. Ooh, yes, there is. It looks like there's pumpkins. How pretty. And this smells so good. So this one has little pumpkins on it. Isn't that adorable? This looks delicious. I love white chocolate. I like every type of chocolate, honestly, but I do really, really like white chocolate. This one has a little leaf stamped on it. How cute. Let me see if there's anything inside that tells you which ones these are. So I didn't see anything that says which these are, what types they are. So I'm just gonna try one. I'm gonna try this pumpkin because it's just so cute. And one might assume it's pumpkin flavor, so let's find out. Okay, so here's what the inside looks like. Definitely a pumpkin spice flavor. The chocolate in it is super thick. And that's really, really good. I'm gonna share these with my mom, but I can tell you right now, this I would go for. I like them all, honestly. So I like that there's a surprise and there's a variety of types of chocolate. This is so exciting. If you guys want to check out anything from their website, like I said, they do bulk candy, or if you want to check out the subscription, I will put the link below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.